Hello everyone, this is my second Megaminx example solve, and yeah, so if you want to follow along really badly, I guess the scale will be in the description. But yeah, this is aimed to be for intermediate level solvers, and I used the Westland method for S2L with a fixed color scheme of yellow, purple, then green, then pink. So yeah, and right off the bat what we can see is the red edge here, green here, which is really nice position, yellow, purple, and blue. Okay, so what we could do is solve green, which is pretty straightforward, I guess. And then what I would do is, instead of solve it, do a U prime, because from here what we could do is solve blue and yellow. So we bring it over on top of the purple center and blue and yellow like this. And then our last edge piece is back here, which we can just solve the cross and solve it, I guess, because pretty decent sort of area. So anyway, yeah. And the first pair I probably see is this one, which we can pair it like this. However, instead what I do is this. So if you do not know what that is, you do a U prime, sledgehammer, and then generally you'd insert it, but because it's not in the right spot, we have to move it away. And from here we can do a trick, which is R2 prime, U2, R2. Did you see that? So you can bring the cross piece all the way to the top, which looks a bit odd, I know, but because the pair's all the way back here, we can then solve it. And yeah, so the next Megaminx the pair I see is this one. And because this is yellow and this is blue, what we could do is bring this edge over here, and then we can solve the pair. And then just do like normal, bring it to this layer and solve. Next we have this pair. So I think this is pretty obvious, but if you want to avoid a rotation, which is actually a good decision, you could just do like this, and then solve into like this, really straightforward. Then we have this pair. So what we could do, because the purple's here, we could bring the purple here, and then that way we can pair it up. Insert. And the last pair is here, and the edge in its spots. So we don't want to do this, because otherwise we have to do triple sexy. So what I'd do is this, and then pair these up like this. So you see R2? So it's basically the exact same as when you have like this, but instead we do an R2. And then we can do an R2 again to solve it. Well, pretty cool trick, I guess. Then our edges, yellow edges are here and here. We could probably preserve this corner, because that'd be pretty nice, of course. So solve orange, just like normal. And solve green, so it's back here, we can just do R2, F2. And then what I'd notice first is the edge, because we know the corner's solved, so we can just solve the edge. And what I usually do is keyhole like this. So if you see my finger tricks, but you could just rotate. I think that's actually better. So like this. Wait, what? Wait, brain Xeno found. Sorry, I don't know. But yeah, just keyhole it. It's better. I just messed up because I'm stupid. But yeah. Next we have these two pieces, which we can pair like that. And then do another U prime. U. And then bring the cross edge one more layer up, and we can do solve it in the back. Then we have this corner, which we can do a B2. So we can do like this, or we could just do from here. We can quickly regroup and do that. And we notice this is here. So we can then just solve it like normal, like a 3x3 F12 pair. Solve the purple edge, going with this pair. And then next we have this and this. So here, we can bring this edge over here, because the blue will be here, and that will allow us to pair these. And then we can insert it back. So the green edge. And then from here, we have these two pieces, which we can rotate and then solve it using either L moves or back arm moves like this. It's a pretty bad case, but and then we have final pair is this. So what we could do is a U2 to set up, solve in the back, and coincidentally we have this edge, so which is really nice. So we could solve a final pair like this, and then insert it at the back. So R2 prime, U, R2. Then we have this pair, which we can solve like this. And this pair, pretty straightforward. Here is a, I mean, it's not really worth it, but it's a decent trick where you can do, so what I just did here, bring this edge up here, and move this edge to here. And then you can do a sledge, and that orients all the cross edges, but it's about as fast as just do it a normal way. And from here, this CO, 5 cycle, is not very nice, but it's alright. If you notice, it's kind of like 2 COs at once. We have a soon and headlights. But from this, the algorithm goes like this. You take out the front pair, do a U prime, and do the exact same moves again. U2 prime, insert the pair. Then we have, I think EP. So this case is really obvious. We just do like this. And this, did you see what I did there? This is called a beta, which is just ADO but the other way around. If you don't know already, an ADO is when you're like this. So use your index to push more. So instead of a U2 flick, in Megaminx it's better to do ADOs. And yeah. So beta is just the same thing but in reverse. And you can do it with the other hand as well. Anyway, so yeah, just solve. And then we're left with a 5 cycle, which I don't know. So you could just use commutators because they're decently fast. But I just want to quickly show you how to do them the right way, because if you do like this, that is very slow. Or if you do like this, it's also really slow, slightly faster. You're meant to be using your thumb to help push and pull like this layer. So it should look like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.